So far we have seen the parts of speech, that is verb, noun, pronoun, adjectives, adverbs, conjunction and interjection. So let us learn some more about adverbs. And we have already studied that adverb tells us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb and answers the question how, when and where. So I repeat, an adverb tells us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb and answers the question how, when and where. And we have seen the three main types of adverbs, that is adverb of place, adverb of time and adverb of manner. Adverb of time answers the question when. Adverb of manner answers the question how, and adverb of place answers the question where. So in this chart we have some more examples. So adverbs add to a verb. So normally if you see certain verbs, we add ly behind the verb. So we add the alphabets ly to a verb. So adverbs add to a verb. Lots of times they are ly words. They explain how. So they explain how, where or when. Verbs are lonely without them. So an adverb always adds ly to a verb and they explain how, where or when. And as I've said, it answers the question how, where and when. So adverbs add to a verb. Lots of times they are ly words. They explain how, where or when, and verbs are lonely without them. So I walked dash. So how did I walk? I walked quickly. So it answers the three questions. How did I walk? I walked quickly. So I write the verb quickly. Where did I walk? Outside. And when did I walk? Yesterday. So I write the word yesterday. So it answers the three questions how, when, where. So how did I walk? I walked quickly. It answers the question how. Where did I walk? Outside. And when did I walk? Yesterday. So it answers three questions. So we have what are all the words that come under how. So it answers quickly, lazily, backwards, loudly and slowly. These all answer the question how. So quickly, lazily, backwards, loudly and slowly. And where is concerned, it answers outside, inside, nearby, away, there. So where did it happen? Outside, inside, nearby, away, there. So all these answer the question where. And when? Early, yesterday, late, already. So all these answer the question when. Early. When did it happen? It happened early, or it happened yesterday, or it happened late in the evening, or it already happened. So it answers the question when. Early, yesterday, late, already. So the adverb answers the question how, when, where. So for how it is quickly, lazily, backwards, loudly, slowly. How. Where answers outside, inside, nearby, away, there. And for when, early, yesterday, late, already. So all these adverbs answers the question how, when and where, and adverbs add an ly to the verb. So quickly I add ly, lazily, loudly, slowly. So it always adds ly to the verb.